RateGain. Bit of a phenomena because you list in 2021 December.
Yeah.
And we're in 2024, January end. And the stock, I think if I'm not wrong, the stock made a bottom of 237 after listing.
Okay.
And last I checked, it was on the other side of 800.
Yeah.
It's in the green today as well as we speak. When you listed the company, is that what you were thinking, that this is what the stock's going to do?
Well, I've been asked this question quite a bit.
Yeah.
The hope is always that the stock will go up because what you want is everyone to benefit. You want all your stakeholders, which is your employees, your investors, to have a good ride in terms of achieving some upside with their investment in time and money. So what would be the right kind of return is not something that I thought about, but a handsome return is something that I always think about.
Yeah.
So we, for instance, we raised some money through a QIP, a qualified institutional placement, just 3 months ago. And that was done at 645 or 643.
Yeah.
And I'm very glad to see that a stock like you mentioned is now, north of 800 and those investors are already sitting in a couple of months at 22, 23% returns. So it's gratifying.
Yeah.
But to be honest with you, I feel like the ticker or the, how your stock does is a reflection of the performance of the company.
Right.
And
which has been great, by the way.
Yeah.
I mean, 131% jump in revenue. So, I mean, how much better do you want to do?
Yeah. Well, I'd be happy if we could continue to sustain these growth levels.
Yeah.
But I feel very, very good about where the company is at. And, honestly, I mentioned on one of the TV interviews that अगर stock price देखूंगा तो काम कब करूंगा.